about one of my favorite toys. Can you guess what it is? It's a squishy ball. You squish it like this. And lots of Orbeez or slime comes out of this. You see? This is so fun to play with. It feels so squishy on my fingers when I squish it. And it's so fun to play with it. My sister got the same. My sister got us the same. It's so fun to play with the squishy ball. Wait, let me call my little sister. Oh, Sunny! Oh, Sunny! Come on! Oh, she's here. Come here. Yeah, she's so cute. Oh, here's her squishy ball. Say happy. Why is she going back? I don't know. Come on here. What's silly? Sunny, let's play with the squishy ball. You keep on closing the door. Come on. You're naughty. You're so naughty. Come on. What's the matter? Oh, here she is. Look how cute she is. And this face is really naughty too. Okay, can you squish your squishy ball? Oh no, the other way. Like this. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Did you know it's one of Sunny's favorite toys too? Okay, come on. Hey! Yeah. Okay, squishy. It also feels sticky like this and feel these Orbeez. It's so sticky. You know why? I don't know. Hey! Come back here. Yeah, come on. I do a little something with Sunny. Woo! Boom, boom. Come here. What are you doing? I'm gonna do it too. Yeah. Hey, come back here. You. Boom. Why does she keep going off? Come on here. Sunny. Oh, you little sour face. She made the squishy ball her baby. What's that? I know. Hilarious. You see, she's just rocking her squishy ball. What? Come here. Why not? Hey, no going. You know, I can understand her language. I know every word she says, and I can speak in it very well. Whew. Sunny, do you know when an airplane comes? Sunny said one day that she wants to ride in an airplane. That was so... Okay. Well, Sunny's still making the squishy ball her baby. That's kind of silly. Sunny, don't squish it too hard, or your baby will explode.